Hi everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going to be taking you through Hermon River Stream Reserve, which I consider to be the most beautiful and impressive river reserve in Israel. So it's about 4 kilometers. It's going to take us approximately 2 hours to complete, and you guys, it's going to be like a trek in Nepal. For me, whenever I want to feel like I'm trekking in Nepal, I go to this place, and soon you're gonna see why, and hopefully you're gonna get the best time. So relax and let's go. A few years ago, I served as a cleaning volunteer in this whole area, and this river reserve was one of those places that I took upon myself to volunteer and to clean because nobody else did. And so for, I don't know, like maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, I was going back and forth with the trash bags, picking all the trash I could find and cleaning this whole entire area, which is about 4 kilometers. So this is a hard one. But I did, and I succeeded, and people could enjoy, and of course what people did the very next day, trashed it all over again. So the whole work I did was trashed, was gone, but at least I did something good for planet Earth. Did it because I care, and I think you should too, guys. So keep in mind, just don't leave anything behind you, and don't trash and dirt our beautiful planet, because then Uncle Jeff will have to come and clean it for you. So, oh my God. I just finished the first half and going to the second half, and there was a sign here indicating to go down to the riverside from this spot, otherwise you probably would miss it, as I'm in practically nowhere. So this is what I'm gonna do, and let's continue on a beautiful trek. So sometimes we want to do something good, not just for ourselves, but also for others. And when I say others, I mean all living creatures. It doesn't have just to be us humans. It could also be creatures and animals. So when you have this feeling that you want to do something beneficial, something good that people are going to benefit of, and you as well, and maybe your children, who needs them anyway? Anyways, when you get this urge to do something good, just go vegan. That's the point. Just go vegan. The sponsor of today is Go Vegan. Would you buy a macro lens for your Osmo Action 6? Well, I definitely need one. I definitely would like to have one, but not for the cost of $250. It also doesn't work with all the functions, so it's just not gonna happen. But if you would like to let me one, I will definitely try. Why not? So 2 hours and 4 kilometers later, I finished the trail. I had a great time. It was a beautiful sunny day, and I hope you got the same vibe and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to buy vegan groceries. You don't have to like, you don't have to subscribe. Just go vegan and do something good for yourself and for the world. So see you guys at the next video, and enjoy our beautiful planet Earth.